Hello, I'm Shuichi Sato from OpenText. In this short video, I'll show you an overview of the system notification function with demo. The system notification function sends email when a system event is detected to notify the user of the event. Supported events are disabling the authentication function and detecting that a flow has been running for more than certain threshold. In this case, a flow execution is considered to be running if it is in running, pause, or pending pause state. By default, the threshold is set to 24 hours, but it can be changed. By default, system notification emails are not sent, so it must be explicitly enabled to be sent. System notifications are configured on the central UI. In addition, REST API for configuration are provided. The system notification function is not enabled with a trial license. The body of emails sent by the system notification function can also be customized. Here's a brief introduction to how system notifications work. To enable system notifications, access the central UI using a web browser. Configure the SMTP server to which notification emails are sent, and also events to be notified. After system notifications has been enabled, if events occur where the authentication function is disabled, or central job function detects that the flow execution time has exceeded certain amount of time, a record is created in system notification state table corresponding to those events. The mail notification delivery job in Central regularly monitors the system notification state table, and when a record is created for a new event, a notification email is sent to the configured SMTP server by the job. Here are sample emails sent when each event occurs. Again, the content of these email bodies can be customized. Now, let's move on to the demo. In this demo, after enabling and setting up the system notification function, an event of disabling authentication is fired. First of all, log into the central UI. And go to the System Configuration workspace and open System Notifications tab. In the Mail Notification section, set the SMTP server information to which notification emails are sent. Next, in the Notification section, enable events to be notified. Here, enable central authentication was disabled and flow running for more than 24 hours. And set them. This concludes the configuration of the system notifications. Next, as a test of the system notification, the authentication function is temporarily disabled. Go to Security tab. Disable authentication now. We can confirm that the notification email was sent and received as expected. This concludes the demo. Finally, for more information on system notifications, see these documents. That is all. Thank you very much for watching.